Welcome to the myFIMS printing troubleshooting tutorial presented by the FIMS Graduate Library. A link to the first two videos in this instructional mini-series can be found in the description box below. Sometimes printing doesn't go exactly as planned. Here is a list of troubleshooting ideas that might help you out. No printers or incorrect printers showing up in the drop-down menu. If no printers or incorrect printers appear when you try to print from a FIMS computer, the printer will need to be manually added to your profile. For example, in this case, both the black and white and color printer in the library, as well as the fourth floor color printer, are missing. Ask someone at the FIMS Graduate Library service desk to help you. If the problem persists after logging out and logging back in, there may be a problem with your profile that needs to be fixed by computing services. You can email them at fims-fcs@uwo.ca to book an appointment. Your PDF or document from OWL won't print. On FIMS computers, PDF files are set to open on a web browser. If there are no printers listed, try opening the PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader. To do this, find the document wherever you downloaded and saved it to, right-click and select Open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. Similarly, if you opened a document from your email or OWL in an online browser, download it as a PDF and print from Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you tap your Western One card, but nothing prints, there could be a few possible issues and solutions. First, you might be at the wrong printer. Return to the computer or device that you printed from and check the Jobs Pending Release page on PaperCut. Verify which printer you sent the job to and tap your card at that printer. The job should release. If your print job does not appear on the Jobs Pending Release page, check the Recent Print Jobs page. If it is listed on this page, the printer thinks that the job has been released and the transaction completed. In this case, you may be eligible for a refund, which you can request by filling out the form on PaperCut, located under the status column for the job in question. If your print job does not appear on either the Jobs Pending Release page or the Recent Print Jobs page, then the job was never transmitted. If you had printed via web print, try resubmitting the job, and if possible, submit as a PDF. If you printed from a FIMS computer, check where you printed the document from. If you tried to print from an internet browser, try printing it from an application such as Word or Acrobat Reader. Thank you for watching this video. If you experience any additional printer problems, please visit us at the FIMS Graduate Library.